After spending 7 days in Kashgar, I thought it's about time to move on. So I took the train from Kashgar to Ürümqi and from Ürümqi to Dunhuang. The whole train journey lasted about 72 hours, and so far it was one of my longest train journeys that I've ever taken.
Yeah guys, I made it onto the train. Yeah, this is my first train journey in northern China. I will take 5 of them till I reach Shanghai. So I'm on my way now to Ürümqi, and in Ürümqi I will have a quick stop of 8 to 10 hours, and then in the evening the next day I will continue my journey with the train to Dunhuang. I will show you a little bit the train so you can see yourself. The scenery is very beautiful. You can see the Taklamakan desert. The soft sleeper, so just to let you know, if you're coming to China, there is 2 options if you have a night train: a soft sleeper and a hard sleeper. So the hard sleeper you just saw in the video, these are the 3 beds. They go up to 3 beds high, and soft sleepers just go under 2 beds high, and they are not in an open space. You can close the door as you see here. Yeah, so for me it's very nice. The bed is good, and yeah, sleeping is good. I already slept 2 hours, so yeah, I can highly recommend. Ticket was cheap, was just 60 euros for an 18-hour ride. guys, I just woke up. Yeah, we have another 2 hours to Ürümqi, and then we are also late, 3 hours, because of a flood yesterday on our way to Ürümqi. We have to catch up the time, which is very hard. I hope we will reach Ürümqi by noon, and then I have another maybe 5 hours in Ürümqi. Yeah, so far let's enjoy some beautiful scenery here from the Taklamakan around Turpan.
So after arriving at the train station in Ürümqi, I had 5 hours to kill. And so I thought I'm gonna pack out my Ricoh GR2 and take some images. And so I found the train station very interesting, because actually all the train stations in China are really built like airports for us Europeans. They're really huge. From all the pictures I've taken at the Ürümqi train station, this was one of my favorite images. A boy guarding his parents while they sleep on the floor. So this picture for me depicts the one-child policy that limited most Chinese families to one child each. It was implemented nationwide by the government in 1980, and it ended in 2016. Anyway, so after that I continued and took a couple of other images before I went boarding the train.
I'm on another train now, on my way to Dunhuang. Actually in 2 hours we will arrive in Dunhuang. And yeah, I had a short stop in Ürümqi from the last train. It was just 4 hours because the train was late and I couldn't go out and visit Ürümqi, what actually my plan was. And so I just sit down and had a quick lunch, and then we had to move already to the train and hit the road again towards Dunhuang. So yeah, in a couple of hours we are in Dunhuang, and I see you in Dunhuang, guys.
Thank you very much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. I see you in the next episode. For further information about riding a train in China, I suggest to watch the episode from Living Bobby's YouTube channel, World's Longest Overnight Bullet Train. I have tagged it here down right below.